Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am so excited to unbox FabFitFun with you guys. If you've hung around here at all, you know I absolutely love this box and have been subscribing to it since they opened their doors 5-ish years ago. I should look that up. It's been a while. This month, their nonprofit they are supporting is Dress for Success, which is a nonprofit I personally happen to love. If you do not know who they are, go look them up. Isn't that beautiful? Does it not make you so spring ready? The magazine has all of the content of the box, plus suggestions and tips and fun readings. I don't want to look at it because I don't want it to spoil what's in the box. I am a Select member. Select means I pre-purchase my 4 boxes a year in advance. So I just prepay for my 4 boxes. I not only save money that way, I get the ability to select some of the items that go in this box. So they'll give me like 5 different things. You want this or this or this or this, and that's kind of fun to have that input. They always have various offers on the top. So that's what these are. Let's dive in. You can see what I want to do. I'm ready to dive in. I do have a great coupon code to order this box. Check out the notes below to hit that up. On top, I have 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This booster is formulated with Rosa Damascena. I can't say all this stuff. And pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of skin for a coveted, dewy, lit from within complexion. Well then, the bottle's pretty. Bottle's really pretty. So there you go. It is kind of creamy pearl. Smells like roses. Oh my gosh, am I supposed to put this on my face? Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. It smells beautiful. However, I, even just smelling this just now, get triggered migraines really, really easy. So rubbing something this rose florally all over my face would be interesting. I don't know if I could do it. I'll give it a try. If I find that it does not work, I'll give it to one of you guys because it isn't gonna go to waste. All right, this is Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polish Pill. Smooth over cleansed wet face. Let sit for 2 minutes. Rinse with water, pat dry. Wow, I hate to be like a Debbie Downer, but I love face masks. I use face mask and under eye mask all the time, but I don't like the ones I have to rinse off. I like the mask. These are always so messy and so hard for me to use. Although this is, oh my gosh, that's really cute. Like that bottle was really cute. It might have a little bit of a watermelon-y smell, but not like overwhelmingly. Nothing that would like drive me crazy. The bottle's super cute. I don't know. If I decide I don't want it, I'm gonna give it to you guys, so. My pickiness is your gain. That's heavy. Gravity weighted sleep mask. I always sleep with the sleep mask, always. However, I've never slept with a weighted sleep mask, and the concern I have is that the weight pushing like that would totally crush your eyelashes. Like the sleep mask I have has a pocket in the middle that goes over my eyes, so my eyelashes stay up and straight and never smashed. I mean, unless I'm like sleeping weird, but that's on me. I don't know how this would feel if it were like on my eyes. Okay, I don't know, I'll give it a try. I mean, the idea of it sounds great. It sounds relaxing, like putting pressure right here sounds relaxing, but I don't want to crush my little baby lashes. I love my lashes. I use a lot of expensive lash boosts to get the lashes. Okay, next is AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. Please be curly girl friendly. All right, smooths and calms frizzy, thick, and coarse hair instantly. Apply a 1/4 size amount on clean, damp hair, focusing on ends, comb through, do not rinse. Okay, the first ingredient is water. Second ingredient is a bad alcohol. I'm poo-pooing on this box today. This literally never happens. I'm kind of weirding out right now. I can't use this. It has a lot of bad alcohols in it, like the alcohols that are not good for your hair. Darn! Okay, well, the bottle's cool. If you're a non-curly girl, if you have straight hair, or if you're a curly girl who doesn't strictly follow the rules, that'll be going in. I'm picking a pile over here because this is the pile of stuff I'm in doubt about. That's so cute. Chic and Tonic silicone straws. Those are really cute. They're bendy. Great colors. Got a good straw brush. Actually, a really good straw brush. I hate them when they're too skinny They can't actually scrub because straws get gross. You gotta have one of these fat ones. That one's good. Look at the colors on that. That is so cute. What is this? I'm confused. A portable carrying case so you can clip them to your keys. So this is a portable carrying case. Does it? Look at me. Right, you're supposed to tri-fold it? I feel bad doing that. I guess it's silicone though. It can do that, right? Oh yeah, you can fit 2 or 3 in there. Throw it in your purse, or for me, it would be my diaper bag. Me and the kiddos. That's pretty cool. Put it in the bag, get to where you're going, pull it out. Because like at the zoo, the kids can't drink a soda without a straw, but they don't have straws at the zoo, understandably. Okay, new pile. You guys go over here. This is the love pile. Because this is freaking brilliant. Well done, Chic and Tonic, well done. Yeah, I'm still going. There's a lot of stuff in here. Deep sleep body cocoon. Sounds amazing. A multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter morning. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, crombe. I am not even, y'all. Ooh, gosh, that smells very good. Oh my gosh, that smells super good. Okay, yeah, not giving this away. This is amazing. Lavender, chamomile, and I never know how to say this one. V-E-T-I-V-E-R-T. Vetiver? Anyways, I like it, whatever it is. And it does have pure essential oils throughout. This is amazing. Amazing. Oh, I've used this before. This stuff's great. Aveda Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. Shake well, work a small amount of product into hands, apply to damp hair and come to distribute. Do not rinse. Where was I at that I first tried this? I don't remember. I don't use it all the time because it is not exactly curly girl friendly, but it has maybe one bad ingredient and the rest I think are good. I don't use it all the time, so I'm willing to cheat more for like a random like damage remedy would be used. During the summer when I'm swimming a lot, this product is great for that. It's the stuff that I use like a leave-in every day that I wouldn't want to put in my hair that has those bad chemicals in it. Caravan Home Decor is at the bottom. Yeah. Design Well Travel. I just love this box, y'all. Let's check out our last item here. That's gonna drive me crazy. I am type A enough that hanging out would drive me nuts. All of you other girls with the same personality as me, did I just make you super relieved that I tucked that in? Okay, let's see what this is. I still don't know what it is. Is it a rug? Oh my gosh, I think it's a rug. Like a bathroom mat rug. The pattern repeats on each side. How random, but kind of wonderful. Yeah, I think it's a bathroom. It's Caravan Home Decor, rug size 21 inches by 34 inches, 100% cotton. How cute! It's very much, well, with the exception of the straws, a bath theme. So this is skin, hair, face, skin, face. Definitely had a theme on this box, that's for sure. Gina Rodriguez is the featured girl of the month. Always read the editor's letter. It's kind of cute if you get this. And on the back, it tells you how to share pictures of your box to be able to win vacations. So here we go. On this page is where it talks about everything that's in the box, what the values of the items you got, and what the values of the items other people got. They had a Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light device you could choose from. They had a Summer and Rose Navy tote, an umbrella, a Shoshana umbrella. They had a Calpac set of 3 cubes or makeup kits. What is this one here? Oh yes, it's a rib sweater coat. I wanted to do that by the time I got on, did my select. They were out of my size. Here's my rug. Oh, Bohemian Flair woven rug. Tie-dye bowls. And so on the select, you can choose between 4 to 6 items that are there, but sometimes you can click the surprise me and they'll just send you whatever, which is kind of fun. I did that a couple of times, and that's where I'm thinking I got so much of a face theme. They have a brush, body wash, dish towels, makeup, and then they also have the add-on store. So if you find a product here that you really, really like, that you want to buy more of, you can go online and buy it at a really big discount and have it added to your box, and it ships all together. Nice. And then it talks about, of the products that are in here, how to use them, when to use them, what they do. And it really elaborates a little bit more if you ever have questions. See, look at all that. Isn't that cute? They also have styling tips. I am not independently creative enough to create beautiful charcuterie boards and such. So I use this stuff all the time to steal ideas and go on. I absolutely love it. Okay, FabFitFun. Not my favorite box, but I have to say, in the 5 years I've been doing this, I only can think of a couple times where I've said that, which is fine because I have this channel. I just repurpose these items. I turn these into giveaways for you guys because if I have them, somebody should be enjoying them, and I know somebody else will love these products. They'll be a perfect match for them. So if you're not already, follow us on Instagram. We do a lot of our giveaways on there. We kind of live more daily life on Instagram, and use YouTube to feature, share, and love on subscription boxes and products. If you're not already a subscriber or follower, hit the button down, give us a subscribe. It'll tell you when we have new boxes coming out, and that way you get the latest and greatest, because I do have coupon codes, and then I have limited run coupon codes, and those are the ones you want to grab first. All right, guys, I hope that you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.